Hello everyone. So I started my own web hosting company. It provides you free web hosting service. It's called FeroHost. Search it in Google. The URL is ferohost.ekz.com.np. So I get this landing page on the internet and I customized it. So first of all, you have to go to sign up. The sign up process is really easy. Just fill this, then you will get a verification email, verify your account and just log in. After that, click on create. You can create a maximum of 3 web hosting accounts, and if you don't have domain, you can use a subdomain. Otherwise, you can add a custom domain. For that, you have to point your name server to my web hosting service name server, which will be ns1.ferohost.ekz.com.np and ns2. Once your domain points to FeroHost name server, you can just add it to the hosting, then give a name to your hosting account and create account. This might take about 5 minutes to fully activate your hosting account. So keep refreshing the page and you will get to it. And there is a limitation in this hosting. You can only host up to 3 websites. After that, you can use other email to register and create as many websites as you want. Now you can see it's activated. So go to control panel first. And don't worry about this connection problem. I will renew it soon. It's because of SSL certificate. So after you log into control panel, you will get all the features. You have file manager, you have database, and pretty much everything you need to host a normal website. You can actually install multiple websites in the same hosting account as a subdomain. The best thing in this hosting is a Softaculous app installer. With this, you can install more than 300 scripts with just one click. Today, I'll show you how you can install WordPress. First of all, go to File Manager, and this htdocs is the main folder where you can upload your custom site. But today, I will install WordPress. So you can see the domain is now connected, and if there is no website in htdocs folder, then it will redirect to the error page in my domain. So let me just install WordPress now. It is very simple, just fill that form and you are done. So it will take some time to install. If we see this database, it shows nothing because it takes some time to update. So I think this phpMyAdmin will work. Yeah. So if you go to phpMyAdmin, you can see the database. Now if I go to the same domain, you can see WordPress is installed, and this is WordPress dashboard. As you can see, all the details like FTP logins and MySQL databases are in FeroHost dashboard. If you get any problem during this setup, then don't hesitate to contact me. So the only thing you have to do now is subscribe my channel.